Hello everyone, my name is Prabha Jawar and I am a maths tutor. Today I will be going to teach cylinder to class 10th from the topic surface area and volume. Let's start. So students, can you tell me what is the shape of this beautiful box? And if I want to gift it to somebody else, I have to cover it with paper. So how much paper is required to cover its outer surface? Have you ever wondered? Confused? So today we will discuss about this. Firstly, the shape of this box is cylinder, and we know cylinder has two circular bases and one curved surface. So today we will study about curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cylinder. Let's see, if I cover it with paper, then how would it look like? If I cover it with paper, then it will look like this. So one thing is clear, if I calculate somehow the area of this paper, then the curved surface area of cylinder will be known. Exactly. So we will take our box out and let's find its area. So let's assume the shape of this paper is this, a curved surface of cylinder. So if I want to calculate its area, if I cut one side of this and open it up, would you tell me what is the shape it will come out? Exactly, rectangle. If I cut it and open it up, it will turn into a rectangle shape. And in earlier classes, we have already discussed what is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Let's see this cylinder, and if I open it up, it will turn into rectangle. So it is clearly known that the length of this rectangle convert into circumference of this circle, and the breadth of this rectangle convert into height of a cylinder. Correct? So the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So here the length converts into circumference of circle. This is the rectangle, and the length is convert into circle, this circle, and the perimeter of this circle is 2 pi r. So length converts into 2 pi r, and this rectangle, this side is breadth. When we convert it into cylinder, this breadth becomes height of the cylinder. So height is denoted by h, to multiply by h. So curved surface area, we can shortly say CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Correct? So the formula of curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Let's solve one question and try to find it curved surface. Suppose a cylinder with radius 7 cm and height 10 cm, then what is the area of its curved surface? Let's find out. Curved surface formula is 2 pi RH. Pi is approximately equals to 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7 multiplied by r, that is 7, and h, that is 10. This one, now to calculate 22 into 2, 44, and 44 into 10, that is 440. And we have calculated its area. So whenever we calculate area of something, the unit is centimeter square. If here meter is given, then meter square. and here centimeter square. So I hope this question solves many of your problems. Let's find this. The radius is 10 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. This question is for you. Let's solve it fast as soon as possible or solve it at home. So today we have discussed cylinder, its curved surface area, and why the formula is 2 pi RH we have derived also. So that's it for this class. I hope you enjoyed my teaching and thank you for the opportunity, and we will discuss volume of cylinder in the next video. Thank you so much.